The 2025 Dodge Challenger and the Ford Mustang are two of the most iconic muscle cars ever made, continuing their fierce rivalry into the modern era. Both vehicles bring incredible power, bold styling, and advanced technology, but which one stands out as the ultimate muscle car? The 2025 Dodge Challenger stays true to its classic roots while incorporating modern performance upgrades. With a wide-body design and an aggressive stance, it commands attention on the road. Under the hood, it offers multiple powertrain options, including a supercharged Hemi V8, delivering insane horsepower and torque. This car is built for speed, with launch control, adaptive suspension, and a roaring exhaust that defines raw American muscle. Inside, the Challenger features a digital driver display, a large infotainment screen, and high-quality materials that make every drive feel premium while maintaining the classic muscle car feel. On the other side, the 2025 Ford Mustang takes a more refined and aerodynamic approach while still maintaining its muscle car heritage. The Mustang's redesigned front fascia, sleek LED lighting, and sculpted body give it a modern yet aggressive look. It comes with multiple engine choices, including the legendary Coyote V8, a turbocharged EcoBoost, and even an advanced hybrid variant, ensuring there's a Mustang for every type of driver. Ford has also improved handling with an advanced suspension system, making it not just fast in a straight line but also a beast on the track. When it comes to performance, the Challenger is all about raw power and straight-line speed. Its high horsepower V8 and all-wheel drive options allow it to dominate drag races, delivering an old-school muscle car experience. The Mustang, on the other hand, is more balanced. It offers sharp handling, precise steering, and a lighter chassis, making it a better choice for winding roads and track performance. While both cars deliver thrilling acceleration, the Mustang gives drivers more control and agility, while the Challenger provides that pure, tire-shredding muscle car feel. Technology plays a huge role in both vehicles. The Dodge Challenger focuses on performance-based tech, featuring customizable driving modes, launch control, and an upgraded Uconnect system with a large touch screen. It also includes driver assist features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. The Mustang, however, takes technology a step further with a fully digital cockpit, a larger infotainment screen, and Ford's latest sync system, offering an immersive and connected driving experience. The Mustang's track apps and performance data logging give drivers real-time insights into their driving performance, making it a great choice for those who love precision driving. When it comes to comfort and practicality, the Challenger's larger size provides a more spacious interior, with plenty of legroom for passengers and a larger trunk. The Mustang, being more compact, offers a sportier cabin that's designed for driver engagement. Both vehicles feature premium materials, customizable interior options, and high-quality sound systems for an enhanced driving experience. Choosing between the 2025 Dodge Challenger and the Ford Mustang ultimately depends on personal preference. If you want raw power, aggressive styling, and straight-line dominance, the Challenger is the perfect choice. But if you prefer a more balanced, agile, and technology-driven performance car, the Mustang is the better option. Both cars represent the evolution of American muscle, bringing together power, innovation, and unmistakable road presence. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car comparisons and automotive content. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll see you in the next one.